Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this channel. It's your boy Sammy. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to predict price entry and also when to exit your trade. I'm going to be showing you what I traded with gold. I think it was yesterday slash today. What happened? Okay, in the market. I'm going to be showing you what the market is doing. I'm going to be using tools, two things and two criteria that I actually look for in the market whenever I want to get into a trade or whenever I want to exit a trade. Now, you've heard of this saying that always sell when the price is high and always buy when the market is low. That is just what I'm going to be explaining in this video. You look for order blocks where the price is high and you sell from there, and you actually buy when the price is what? Low. Now let's move in. This is a live chart that I traded today. So yesterday I think so. So let's dive right in. Now what happened? If you look closely here, you will see that price has actually been respecting some few zones here in the chart. So what did we see price do? What did we see price do? Market has actually been giving us some funny moves. So what did we see price do? Now if you look closely, you will see that price has been respecting these trend lines. So some folks have actually been selling. Now these trend lines are actually not genuine, because I would say whenever your market is bearish, it doesn't move like this. Okay, this trend lines actually is okay. First of all, let me say this video is going to be a little bit advanced for my beginners traders. Please just stick with me. But the purpose of this video is to explain the entry and the exit for using price action. Okay, so I like to use this trend line, and that's the only thing that I use, this vertical line and trend line, to explain my what. I like to keep my chart simple. Okay, so this is it. Price has been respecting these trend lines. So what did we see price do? We got a break. Now this is where it starts getting interesting. For me, I understand how gold works. Okay, gold is not like every other currency pair that likes to move up, that likes to move up and give that deep retracement. Gold might do something funny like move up and do some stuff like this and start going up back again. Now, but I understand how price action is. Like I said, I always look forward to buying, selling at a high price, and buying at a discount price, at a low price also. So in this video, let's identify now, where is the last order block? This is it. So remember the formula that I said, that we actually look forward to the buying high and buying low and selling high formula. Okay, this is it. This was the last low, this is the high. So in between this range, whatever price comes to do, that's what I'm going to be doing. So what did we see price do? Price pulled back to this last order block here, giving us an entry to the upside. Now the beautiful thing about forex that I love, it's about gold also, is that if you miss a move, it's actually going to give you another opportunity. Now let's identify other opportunities. Now this is it. The market finally broke out of this trend line. Remember, we've been respecting trend line ever since. So what did it do? It came back to this order block, giving us an entry here. Again, this order block respected this first one. This second one that led to the breakout respected the one that came to the first order block. Okay, and we started going up. Okay, so after we got this move, we started moving to the upside. Now the beautiful thing is we have a break of structure, here. So I told you that after a break of structure, price is going to be giving us another opportunity. Okay, so now the question we should be asking ourselves is, where is the last order block? Don't forget, I said this is it. So what did price do? It came back to the next order block that led to the break of structure. So this was an entry here for us to take price up. Guys, can you see that the market has been moving like this, coming back just like that? It breaks structure, it come back to the other block, it moves up again, break this structure, it come back to the other block. Okay, this first is actually not technical. You just have to understand the basics and understand what is there, okay, for you to know what to do to get what you want in the market. So it's just like that. So I like to look my swing point. This is my swing point. This is my swing point. Now I know the market is actually turning bullish. So what I do is I wait for price to come to one of the swing point. Now I mean one of the swing point. If it comes here and break below it, is actually means something to me. It means a break of structure. If it comes here and break above here also, it actually means something to me. That's a break of structure. There's a mistake I was always doing. I was part of the traders that were selling here. Okay, and that's wrong. I was equally part of the traders that were buying here. That's wrong also, without getting a clear indication of what the market is doing. So what you should actually be doing is identify, first of all, the first structural level swing point and the next swing point. Okay, I like to do it based off of the last candle. If the market is bearish, the bearish candle that led to the market move, because if you check, this is the last candle here. Let's look at it. This is the last candle here. So this is it. Sorry, this is it here. So the price tapped into it. It just touched the wick. Let's take this up a little bit. It just touched the wick. So that was the last candle here. So you just tapped into it, give us our entry, and if you check, the candle was actually large. It engulfed the bearish candle. It engulfed the bearish candle. Boom, to the upside. Now when it went up, it actually pulled back immediately. But there are some cases it might do something like this. It might do something like this. Break immediately before coming back. Okay, whichever way it happens, just make sure that you are on the last swing point. You are on the last swing point. I think this is a valuable content that I've dropped for you guys. Just do your experiment, practice, and also let me know what you think. Go into the chat, do your experiment, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Okay, thank you.